Apple's WWDC iOS 16 reveal was incredible, but unfortunately, it was not absolute. So if that was all you would rely on, you have no idea how much you would miss on the new iOS 16 update. It's good that you are here because this is your portal to the iOS 16. What Apple might not be telling you. Passwords. Safari's suggested passwords can sometimes be lengthy and intricate. As part of the new iOS 16 features, Apple will now allow users to modify the passwords provided by Safari based on the site's criteria. The Settings app will also make identifying and managing Wi-Fi passwords easier. Users can now reference, share, and remove passwords for a specific Wi-Fi network. In addition, iOS 16 will soon include the option to display the Wi-Fi password of an iPhone's connected network and copy and share it. Despite all these, Apple will still protect the Wi-Fi password with a layer of verification, which may be Face ID, Touch ID, a passcode, or the lock screen password, so it won't be a simple copy and paste operation. And with the new security updates, password authentication has become even easier than ever, as you will find out going forward. So you don't have to worry about complex verifications. Pictures. What is an iOS update without picture enhancements? With iOS 16, the Photos app will recognize duplicate images, allowing users to clear their photo libraries effortlessly. For instance, if you locate 15 copies of the same group photo, it will be easier to discard the other 14. Apple will also allow you to lock any hidden or recently deleted albums. The iPhone's authentication method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, can be used to unlock these. This provides an inbuilt feature for hiding sensitive photographs without needing a third-party application. Additionally, for the picture lovers out there, items in the foreground of shots taken in portrait mode can be blurred, resulting in images with a more realistic depth of field effect. Apple will also allow users to modify images in bulk by duplicating the changes made to one photo and applying them to another photo or group of photos. iOS 16 will also allow users to undo and redo several photo editing procedures. Spotlight. When Apple released macOS Ventura, Spotlight Search received a lot of attention. Till now, the search function on the iPhone has only been accessible through a swipe-down action, and the search bar was at the top, which made it hard to use with one hand, particularly on bigger phones like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. With this iOS 16 feature update, the option to use Spotlight Search is now represented as a small pill and can be found at the very bottom of the home screen, directly above the dock. It's easy to get to, and with a tap, opens up into a full search mode. iMessages. Innovative iMessage features like Edit and Undo Send are coming in the next iOS release. Additionally, you will have up to 30 days to recover deleted messages, according to certain iOS 16 rumors. There will also be a separate unread messages section in the Messages app. Additionally, iMessage adds 6 new emoji sticker positions and many fresh options, such as new outfits, haircuts, etc., to further customize your alter persona. Furthermore, you can now tap the button, speak into it, hold it while you speak, and then release it to send a voice message. Additionally, you can swipe up if you wish to immediately edit the recorded message using the same tools as the Voice Memos app. Moreover, if you need to type, the new iOS 16 has dictation modifications that make it more convenient. More on that in a moment. Security updates. If you routinely play games in landscape mode, or binge on Netflix or YouTube, you may have encountered that to unlock your iPhone with Face ID, that is when you unintentionally touched the lock button, you had to turn it. Quite irritating, right? Now, whether you are using your device as a controller or audio equipment, you can unlock your phone with a Face ID in that same position. Apple has indicated that Landscape Face ID has been activated for supported iPhone models without naming them. However, based on certain tweets, it may only be accessible for the iPhone 13 and later. Apple has even recently modified the technology to enable mask-wearing users to unlock their phones. Users of iOS will also receive automatic security upgrades from Apple, which will be sent in a manner distinct from version updates. You won't have to worry about downloading an update once this iOS 16 feature is made available to the general public, because this feature will be activated on its own and automatically enabled. Apple claims these improvements can be applied automatically between standard software updates. The iOS 16 will also have the option to switch to developer mode, preventing consumers from inadvertently installing potentially harmful software on their devices. Please subscribe to our channel for exclusive access to more updates and unique perspectives on the latest devices. Siri Modifications. With the previous iOS, you can already utilize voice dictation to have Siri type long messages for you without having to enter them physically. After composing the message, Siri reads it back to the user and asks if the message should be delivered to the designated recipient or not. However, the confirmation step may get a little annoying if you send numerous messages in succession. With iOS 16, users can allow Siri to send messages automatically after they have been read to them, eliminating the need for a confirmation step. Again, with this new iOS 16 feature, you can ask Siri to end a call, although we must inform you that everyone on the phone can hear you. During a phone or a FaceTime call, all you need to say is, "Hey Siri, hang up," to end the conversation. So there you have it. This was a sneak peek into what else was behind the door for the major updates Apple revealed this year. But have you heard of the whispers surrounding this new update? Check out this video we made to discover our unique perspective on the rumors about the iOS 16 features. That's all for now. Until next time, take care.